What's my affirmation for 2025? Hello everyone, it's me Kat, and today is 31st of December 2024. It's the last day of this year, and tomorrow will be welcoming 2025, and I'm really excited to share with you guys in this video about my journey for the past 6 months after I started my channel, and also what I'm planning to do for 2025. So without any further ado, let's talk about it. This video is going to be a very short one. Let's just say it's my last video for 2024, and I decided to make this video and share with you guys how my crochet journey has been for the past 6 months since I created this channel and posted videos. And so a little bit stories about it. I know YouTube in 2017, but I don't really pay much attention to it because I used to be a very how you say that, introvert kind of person, and a very kind of like bookworm kind of person. I study a lot, but I really don't like technologies before because I think that using technologies was a little bit tiring for me during that time. Even I have my phone when I was 17, I think, and yeah. So after 2017, I actually started to watch YouTube during my leisure time at school because I discovered that there are some people here in YouTube community that I actually really love watching, like Mia Maples, and there's some more, but I don't remember all of the names. And I also watch cooking videos, baking videos, and I find that really comforting for me because, as you know, studying can be really tiring, and Mia Maples, especially her videos, has been really helping me during my let's say unwell state mentally. Yeah, she helped me a lot. I really love watching her video that time. So after watching her videos, I have this desire to also wanted to post videos on YouTube because I know ever since I was a kid, I really love documenting my life, but most of the time I document it in a book. I journal a lot when I was a kid, so when I read it like years later, I find that the emotion is still there, and I find that, oh, like that's how my life was back then, and today I'm not that same person anymore. So after learning about technologies and seeing how others share their life journey on YouTube, I said to myself that I wanted to make that too. Although video creating, editing, and all those stuff regarding these technologies are not my best skills, but I'm trying and I'm learning. Even at this moment, I'm still learning. So of course, there's still also challenges like fears. I have to admit, I took a few years before I finally make this channel, and I find that fear also consumed me a lot because seeing myself in the mirror and seeing that I am not like the other people on YouTube. I don't have what they have. I'm not that I don't have the physical appearance like other people on YouTube. I'm not saying I hate them, but I'm saying that I kind of have this fear that nobody's gonna watch my video, nobody's going to listen to me. So yeah. But that's one thing that really bothers me like for the past few years. And also I did actually try to record videos before, but I never posted them, and I ended up deleting all the videos. I kind of like regret it now because maybe the sooner I start, maybe I could see differences on my life. So that one thing I regret, but it's okay. Let's just focus on the years ahead. And so why crochet channel? Yeah, why crochet channel? Because in the beginning I actually wanted to make videos about like thrifting, about home decor, about baking, cooking, everything related to like your daily life. And also I would like to share my blessings for the past 6 months for this year since I started my crochet channel. So the first thing that I find is that I slowly accepting myself for who I am, how I look, how I actually do my work, because I know I find it's hard to balance my life, but I started to accept it, and slowly I feel like I can calm down the fear inside me. Like if nobody want to watch, I said it's okay. Even if there's only one person watching it, I would be really grateful and also happy, because I know that people still are watching. Maybe it's not the time yet, right? So yeah. And also I find that my confidence slowly like, I'll try to say, I would say my confidence level is not really that high, but it's getting better, and I can't wait what 2025 has to offer for me in that aspect of my life. And the second thing is that for the past 6 months, from getting no order at all to have like 1 order per month, but the number of items for each order is actually rising from each month, so I am really grateful for that. Of course, there's also the sadness going on, because some of the order are not really purchased, but it's okay. I slowly will learn about doing business for crochet. I don't think it's going to be easy, but I hope it's going to worth it. So if you guys want to see how it changed my life, because I wanted to see how it changed my life, that's why I want to document it all. So I hope you guys feel free to join me and subscribe, and let's take along the journey, and I will share everything with you guys. And also, since I mentioned that I'm not really into technologies, and that is one of my lacking and my weaknesses, I also find myself slowly learning about it, and I slowly trying to adapt myself into doing the things that I never thought I would be doing, like editing. It's really hard, but seeing others like can do that, I also like try to tell myself that I myself can do those stuff. So that's what I realized for the past 6 months, is that I'm trying to work hard and improve my knowledge, especially in technologies like for editing, because I know my editing is not really that great yet, but I'm there. I'm trying. I'm learning. And so for my 2025, I have a lot of things to share with you guys. I just haven't got the time to record and do those stuff, because my life here is not the same as I hope it should be, but it's okay. And I hope you guys can bear with me and still want to be a part of my family in YouTube. So stick around, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. I have a lot of parcel since October, I think, but none of those things are finished, and there's a lot of unfinished crochet project that I hope I can like finish it this 2025. There's so much things to say, there's so much things to share with you guys to do, but I hope I can make it into a reality and share that with you guys. So what's my affirmation for 2025? Should I share that with you guys? Okay, the first thing is I want to make an online shop for my crochet item, but I find it really hard to to brainstorm the idea, because I don't know where to begin. I'm still learning. I'm trying to find knowledge. So I hope by 2025 I can do this and start to make my online shop. And also, apart from that, for 2025, I hope I can grow my family, my followers on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, my TikTok, and also I really hope that by 2025, I don't know if this is too much of manifestations that I have, but I really hope that by 2025, maybe I could get monetized from my YouTube channel. I don't know if that's possible, because my followers is still 300 something, and my hours watch is way below 100, so I don't know if that's really possible, but I'm hoping. And also I hope that by 2025 I can get a lot of orders and I can finally do a market prep, sell it at the market, and also like make a lot of patterns, even if it's a pattern that everyone also already make, but I hope I can make one that is actually my own version and share that with you guys. And I hope people's going to watch my video. That's what I really hope for 2025. I hope I can grow as a person, I can grow mature as a person here in YouTube, and I hope I can share a lot more with you guys real soon. And I think that's all from me for 2024. I hope I can see you guys again in 2025. Have a nice day, have a nice New Year celebrations, and see you guys real soon. Bye!